Think you've got what it takes to create a viral video? Well, buckle up and get ready for some insight. Creating viral content is not a walk in the park. But with a pinch of creativity, a dash of originality, and a heap of passion, you're set on the right path. First off, get your creativity flowing. Brainstorm ideas without judgment. Is it a radical sports trick, a groundbreaking fitness routine, or a fresh spin on a classic game? Think about the stories that resonate with you and could potentially engage others. Don't limit yourself. No idea is too outlandish. Secondly, identify your unique angle. What's your story? Be bold and truthful. Authenticity resonates with people. They want to see the real you, not a carbon copy of someone else. So show off your true colors. However, remember to stay updated with current trends, because what's hot today might not be tomorrow. Next, it's time to choose the right platform for your video. Are your viewers on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram? Different platforms cater to different demographics, and understanding this can give you a greater chance of viral success. Remember, timing is crucial. Aim for a content length that's suitable for your chosen platform and audience. It should be punchy, engaging, and not overly long. Then comes the promotion. You want to make sure your video reaches as many people as possible. Share it on your social media, encourage friends to do the same, and if you have a budget, consider paid promotions. Don't be shy to use hashtags. They are a powerful tool to reach a larger audience. Finally, be vigilant about using copyright-free materials. The last thing you want is your masterpiece being taken down due to copyright infringement. Once your video is out there, use analytics to understand your audience better. See what worked and what didn't, and use this data for your next viral attempt. So go start creating. Your viral video is not just about luck, it's a process. And remember, the key is to keep innovating, keep inspiring, and most importantly, keep having fun. Until next time, stay tuned for more tips on making your content viral.